Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Style. A happy new week to you, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. Today's exciting for the beautiful women over 50, if you're 50, 60, 70, 80, the seniors. This haircut and hairstyles today is for you. I just want you guys to just sit down, pick up the popcorn and just watch this video because these are carefully selected, beautiful short hairstyles for the beautiful matured women. This is a classy haircut, the newest this time and is latest for those women that really want to change things, for those women that really want those transformation, whether you have the salt and pepper or you have the gray hair like this woman you're seeing on the screen. I just want you to watch this video because we have varieties of styles for you. Take a good look on this Tapered. It's so beautiful. See how it took so many years of this woman's age. She's even surprised. She's so overwhelmed. Like you can see the joy in her. She felt like, wow, could this be her? So I just want you guys to please let me know how you feel about this haircut in the comment section below because this is one of the classiest haircut you really need to try this week. And I want you guys to also see this particular one too. You can see how before and I want you guys to see her after. This is a Pixie and most times Pixie is for the matured beautiful women. See how she feels. She's even tearing up for you to understand how she felt like before. This is her before and how she's also feeling after. This barber is one of the best barbers so far that knows his onions and he's there to give beautiful matured women the best haircut so far they can get. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I want to appreciate every one of you, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. You all are awesome. You all are blessed. A beautiful week to you all, and I pray that God grants you all your heart desires in Jesus' name. Just stay up to Wendy Styles for more beautiful, trained and short, natural haircut for beautiful African American women. Ciao, ciao.
I get got my cocoa, what do you? I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you are telling my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in the morning. I am up feeling my I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you are telling my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in the morning. I am up feeling my to you, I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you, I tell you, you're true, my body won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us all top, yeah. I was still waiting in my mind. I am up, my I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you, I tell you, you're true, my body won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us all top, yeah. I was still waiting in my mind. I am up, my I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you, I tell you, you're true, my body won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us all top, yeah. I was still waiting in my mind. I am up, my